Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me. For the new people who are here, welcome. We are going to play makeup today per usual. That's what I like to do. This is the look that we are going to achieve today. I believe it's a pretty simple look, but that's me. I'm sure many of you out there don't believe or feel the same way. But yeah, it's simple to me, but it looks, expensive. Skin looks healthy, it's glowing, little pop of gold on the eye. Yes, it's probably one of my go-to looks if I was going out at night, which I'm not. But if I were, this would be my go-to look. Yeah, so I got my little head wrap on. COVID-19 is keeping your girl very Nubian and very natural, which is very much okay with me. But I gotta be creative with my hair because up under these wraps is, yeah, it don't even matter what's up under the wrap, okay? It's this outer appearance that really does matter, and it has come together quite nicely. So, got my baby hairs trying to thrive through COVID with me. We doing our 1-2 punch, trying to get them to stay here with me. But yeah, back to the regularly scheduled program. This makeup look, what you guys think? Would you try it? Would you not? Well, if you would, we're going to walk through the steps on how we achieve this look today. So definitely stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave your comments below. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, on to the look. I've been trying to get my skin back right. These masks with quarantine. They're doing your girl dirty. I'm sure I'm not the only one. I've seen a lot of YouTube personalities that have been, having issues with skin, especially the lower part of the skin from, just wearing these masks every day. So if you can, just be sure to, you have the disposable ones, go ahead and dispose of the ones that you've used. If you can go out without wearing, any makeup, that'll help. Washing the ones that are reusable, keeping those clean, and just taking care of your skin, your daily regimens and stuff like that. So let's just be, proactive and adamant about that for those types of concerns because they are here. Okay guys, so I decided to record this video bright and early in the morning, so I definitely needed my coffee to get me going. And as you can see, it did. So we're starting off with the face base with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base as my base and primer. I love the way this stuff smells. It really wakes you up, but it has a very pleasant smell. Next, we're going in with our MAC Strobe Cream. You know how I love that glow from within look. So we're definitely applying that to the skin. We're going to brush through those brows, and then we're going to go ahead and fill those brows in. I normally start at the tail because that's where I have the most sparse spaces in my brow. And it also allows me to shape them better. Now I'm going to clean up under the brow with a foundation. I don't know, to me it looks like it's a mustard yellow, but guys, I promise you it's not. Now I'm going to blend it in. Now I'm going in with my Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette. I love the colors in this palette. I'm going to pack that color in to the lid. I'm going in with that dark brown and hitting right at the corner of the eye to deepen the corner of the eye. Give it a little bit more depth. Make sure you blend it in. I went in with a tighter brush just to make sure that it wasn't too overpowering. Now I'm going in with that pigment. And it is a showstopper. I love that gold. Now I'm going to line the eyes. I am using my LA Girl gel eyeliner. Give me a good baby wing, nothing too dramatic for this look. And I'm going to go in with the face with my Juvia's Place concealer and my Morphe concealer. That is the Morphe concealer that I am applying first up under the eye. It's more closely kinda to my complexion, nothing too dramatic. Taking it down the bridge of the nose. I went back in with my NARS concealer in the color Walnut right at the corner of the eye. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place concealer number 7. That's more my complexion. And I'm just blending all of that out together. I love my Real Techniques brush that I'm using to get right in the creases of the eye. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. camo sponge and blending it all together. Make sure you dampen that sponge. Yeah, baby. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going in with the darker color of the Juvia's Place concealer. I think it's number 2 or number 3. And I'm just kind of cinching the edges of the face, bringing a little depth, also known as contouring. And if you feel like you've overly contoured, you can go back in with your beauty blender and blend that out. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever and setting up under the eyes. It looked like I had some creasing, so I went back in with that camo sponge and blended that out before I set up under the eyes. Now I'm going in with my Morphe Glamabronze Bronzer. Love that stuff. Look how much color it brings back to the face. I mean, amazing. And I'm definitely going to take that down the side of that nose. Bring that in just a bit. It's nothing that I have to do. I just like to do it. I don't have any problem with my nose, the shape, nothing. I'm also taking that bronzer and smudging out the bottom lash line. Now I'm going in with a MAC paint pot. Something that blue can kind of pick up on that I'm smudging out the bottom lash line with. I wanted a little pop of color, so I went in with that blue. And it just wasn't doing it for me, so I needed to go in with another brighter blue. So I used the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. Now I'm going in with the lashes. Gotta pop lashes on. They make such a difference. We all know it. Take your time with it, okay? Let that glue dry or get a little tacky. Promise you it's much easier that way. Now I'm hitting the bottom lashes with some Rimmel Scandalized mascara. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Sahara Blush palette. Yep, pop of color. Come on cheeks. Come on cheeks. I had to get some of that Vaseline off. Going in with the MAC lip liner and Chestnut. And now with the Milani liquid lip in the color Stunning. I always blow on the bottom lips because it kind of makes it a little bit more tacky, and the pigment payoff to me kind of shows up better. Now going in with that dose of color lip gloss on top. Yes, baby. Yes. And this is the finished look, people. I hope you enjoyed this time with me like I enjoyed spending time with you as always. Definitely give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. And until next time, thank you guys for joining me. Bye.